Welcome to the world of integrated fertilizing, a game-changing approach that will transform your home garden into a thriving, sustainable paradise. Many home gardeners think fertilizer means just grabbing one product off the shelf. But healthy plants need nutrients from different sources, applied in balanced ways. Overusing fertilizer can damage plants and soil, while runoff pollutes streams and harms wildlife. Integrated fertilizing solves these problems while making your garden stronger. Integrated fertilizing combines two powerful allies: inorganic fertilizers that work like fast food for plants, and organic materials that provide slow, steady nutrition. Inorganic fertilizers are factory-made with specific nutrient percentages clearly labeled. October 10th 10 fertilizer contains 10% each of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Organic fertilizers come from natural sources like compost, manure, and kitchen scraps. They improve soil structure, feed beneficial microbes, and release nutrients slowly. By combining both types, you give plants a balanced diet. The tomato gets quick nitrogen from store-bought fertilizer, plus long-term soil improvement from compost. Before adding anything to your garden, test your soil. It's like getting a health check to find out what nutrients your plants are missing and how acidic or alkaline your soil is. Home soil test kits measure pH levels and basic nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Simply mix soil with water and compare colors against the provided chart. Your soil's texture affects how it holds water and nutrients. Sandy soil drains quickly, clay soil holds water but can compact, while loam is the ideal balance. Start your season by spreading a 1 to 2 inch layer of compost on garden beds. Gently mix this into the top 4 to 6 inches of soil with a garden fork. Fast-growing plants like leafy greens benefit from liquid fertilizers applied every few weeks. Fish emulsion and water-soluble fertilizers provide quick nutrition during active growth. Transform kitchen scraps into garden nutrition. Banana peels provide potassium, coffee grounds benefit acid-loving plants, and crushed eggshells add calcium. For container plants, mix slow-release fertilizer pellets into potting mix at planting. Water regularly with compost tea. Simply steep compost in water for 24 hours and strain. This combined approach keeps soil soft and crumbly, supports plant resistance to pests and diseases, and reduces trips to the garden store. Early spring is perfect for spreading compost and organic amendments. This feeds the soil and prepares it for seedlings before the growing season begins. During active growth, apply liquid fertilizer or compost tea every 3 to 4 weeks. Fast growers like tomatoes need extra nitrogen, while slow growers like carrots need less frequent feeding. Where you place fertilizer matters. Side dressing means applying along plant rows, while banding places nutrients in shallow trenches where roots can easily reach them. Apply fertilizer just before gentle rain when possible, so nutrients seep into soil and reach roots. Avoid heavy rains that wash nutrients away. Crop rotation means changing what you grow in each bed yearly. Growing nitrogen-fixing peas one year, followed by leafy greens the next, naturally improves soil fertility. Cover crops like clover protect bare soil, prevent erosion, and add nutrients when tilled back in. Mulching with straw or leaves conserves moisture and feeds soil organisms. Use drip irrigation or soaker hoses to water directly at plant roots. This reduces water waste and prevents nutrient runoff that can pollute local waterways. Simple tools make gardening easier. Soil moisture meters prevent overwatering, weather apps help plan fertilizing around rainfall, and compost tumblers speed up decomposition. The 4 Rs guide efficient, safe fertilizing: right source, right rate, right timing, and right placement. This framework keeps your garden vibrant while protecting the environment. Choose fertilizer that matches your plants and soil needs. Use only what plants require. Too much wastes money and harms plants or the environment. Fertilize when plants actively grow, not during dormancy. Place nutrients close to roots where rain won't wash them away. Test soil yearly, make or buy compost, mix fertilizer types for quick and slow release, water carefully, rotate crops, and use simple tools to save time and resources. Gardening is a journey of continuous learning. Integrated fertilizing means working with nature to grow stronger, healthier plants you'll enjoy for years to come. Start your integrated fertilizing journey today. Your plants, soil, and local environment will thank you. Subscribe for more gardening wisdom and share your success stories below.